Alright guys, let's do a quick room tour of cabin 5205. It's our interior Havana room here on Carnival Vista. So let me show you guys what it's all about. Walk through the door here to the Havana cabins right off of Ocean Plaza. It's going to be the first room on your right. It's a little bit different layout, but like I said, it's cabin 5205.
Well, welcome to our Havana interior room. Alright guys, this is our interior room in the Havana area. First you got your big screen TV. Got the Havana towels. They are a different color because they're in the Havana area. We also have our cooler right here. Just your normal, I don't want to say refrigerator because it's not really a refrigerator, but keeps your beverages cool. Then we got 3 shelves right here. And there are 2 end tables on each here. We do have the bed set as a king. You could separate the 2 twins if you wanted to. Lights right here. The light switch. No USBs, so just keep that in mind. And a tiny little drawer right there. And of course, same on this side. Just the same lamp switches right there. No USBs. But you got a nice little vanity area. There are 2 USB chargers on this one side, 2 American outlets. I'm gonna pull this out. Get your hair dryer if you need to dry your hair. And also, being in Havana, we all get wristbands. It just lets the crew know that you do belong in this area. And it is a little tight here, but there are 2 closets here. First one is a hang closet. You do get bathrobes with the Havana area and a full-length mirror. And we have our stuff that we have yet to unpack here. And I'm going to shift over to this side where we have 1, 2 shelves. Safe with a number combination. Another shelf. And looks like 3 drawers here. Then lastly, we have the bathroom. Oh, actually before we do the bathroom, there's your thermometer. And of course, we keep it at the coolest setting, but being in an interior, it's pretty nice in here right now. We'll go to the bathroom. Here we go. You got your cloth shower curtain. And actually inside, it's actually the nicer shampoo and body wash, the Elemis. I love this stuff. I love the smell of it. Shower head, you could adjust. Your temperature controls. Shower soap holder. Then we have a vanity here. Shaver charger here. 3 shelves on each side. Wastebasket, tissues, the whole thing that comes with the bathroom. Shaving mirror, beauty mirror, wherever you want to call it. And we all know what that is, so no need to describe it. And that's cabin 5205 in the Havana area on the Carnival Vista. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.